Hi, this is Will from Clerk Chat. Today I'm going to walk you through the 10DLC registration process in the Clerk app. 10DLC stands for 10-digit long code. Essentially, it's your phone number. If you're utilising your business phone number to send SMS and MMS messages to a US phone number, you need to complete this registration so your number doesn't get blocked. Complying with 10DLC regulations means faster and more reliable messaging, higher delivery rates, enhanced legitimacy and trust with your clients. Thankfully, the Clerk app greatly simplifies the process. If we head to settings, this is where you can register your brand to comply with 10DLC regulations. So let's fill it out. You can see here I've already inputted the legal company name, and then you can input your address, the city you're located in and the state, your country and zip code, your organisation legal form with private profit, your employer identification number, your vertical type, so be technology for us, and your company info, and input the email, and now we click Save Changes. Once everything's saved, you're finished and Clerk will handle the rest. It usually takes us 5 to 10 business days to complete the registration process, and after that you can send messages without the fear of being blocked. And that's it. That's how to easily register your brand in Clerk for 10DLC compliance.